The goal of Walsh has always been no one gets hurt. The reality is, if there's any injuries, we failed. Over the years, Walsh has made a very conscious investment in making ourselves safe. The policies and procedures that are out there to help the employees be safe need to be adapted to every individual situation and circumstance that somebody might be in. It's all about the process, bringing a group together, having a collective solution to talk about what your tasks are going to be, what are your hazards going to be, and setting up the expectation for what the end really is. And the end is no one gets hurt. It's everybody's job to create a safe environment. And to create that safe environment, you need to be watching out for your fellow worker, your coworkers, the rest of your crew, the rest of your project at all times. If somebody on one of our projects witnesses an unsafe act or witnesses a situation they deem to be unsafe, it's their job and their responsibility to notify their supervisor. If that person's not around, it's up to that individual to go intervene on their own, and they are fully empowered to do that. Jobs that are safe are generally more profitable. The culture of that job was such that the whole team worked together. It was collaborative, it was safe, it was profitable. And where we have had jobs that have had bad safety records, almost 100% of the time, if you look at the P&L statements, they haven't been profitable jobs. When we're proposing on new projects, in almost every instance, we do have to submit our safety history. If people perceive us to be an unsafe company, they're not going to want to work with us. And so it does affect us going forward. Safety guy is there to help you. Project manager is there to coach you. But safety is everybody's responsibility. And you know, you've got a wife, you've got a husband, you've got children at home. The person next to you on both sides, they have the same situation. They need to be home for their family as well. As a family-owned company and as a company of families, it's about watching each other's back, caring for my fellow worker. The ultimate goal will always be 0, 0, 0, no one gets hurt.